modern agriculture, where modern machines are used for operation, safety is one of the most important things. The most important in the sense that it protects the life of the operator and the life of the machine. Looking at what we have here is a safety simulator. And this is an autotronic safety simulator panel, TPS 3578. It has different units. It has the LCD display unit and the fault description unit. And these faults here are the faults that can be simulated so that one will have an idea of the problems that can be encountered in the course of operating a vehicle. The first one here is no brake light, no high beam, no turn right left light, no turn right light, airbag fault, no horn, no washer, no left turn light, coolant temperature problem. All these faults can be simulated on this panel to enable the operator of the real vehicle to know when he or she encounters a problem on the way. We have another unit, the RPM unit here, as the speed unit. Have the monitor keyboard. We have the fault unit and the power unit, where you can put the autotronic panel on for operation. We have the vehicle here, which is an example of the real vehicle. It indicates the safety signs that can be obtained in a real vehicle. This one here is the steering unit, where you can operate the signs. You have the body control module, the left side of it and the right side. As I earlier said, these faults can be simulated on this panel. Simulated in the sense that you can key in the fault, and once you key in the fault on this panel, for instance, no brake light, you can key in here using the state and the fault units, and by the time you operate it or put on the panel, you will observe that there will be no brake light. And once there is no brake light, it will indicate on this panel for the operator to see that there is no brake light. You can go ahead and simulate another fault, which is no high beam. And when you come to the vehicle here, you can see high beam here, and if you key in that fault, when you put on the panel, you will observe that the high beam will not show. That is full headlight. It is commonly called like that. And you can go ahead and simulate other problems like that, or other faults like that. The aim is to enable the students or the operator to know whenever he's operating the machine and he encounters such problem, he will know that this is the problem that is likely to occur. Now, I would like us to operate this panel to see what we are talking about. As I earlier said, this is the LCD liquid crystal display unit, and then the fault description unit. Let's pick the first one and see. You come down here, you key in the first fault and you enter. The light shows you that the no brake light, the brake light is 40. Now, you can see it is expected that this light will be on, but it is now off. Let's move to the next one. Which is no high beam, and you enter. The light shows you that there's a problem with the high beam, which is full light. So let's attempt putting on the full light and see. You can see that it cannot show. It is only the low beam that is showing. No matter how you try, you cannot see it on. But let's remove it and see if it can work. Okay. Okay, let's try the next one, which is no turn right light. It's number 3. and you enter. So now you want to turn right. This is left, which is indicating left turn light. And then let's see if this one will work. You can observe that it is not working, both in front and at the rear. The light is not working. That is the simulation. So once you see a thing like that in the course of operating the machine, you will know that there is a fault somewhere. The next one is no horn. Let's key in. And you enter. And you attempt to put it on. You can see that the horn is not working. Let's remove it and see if it can work. So that is how it works. And once it is simulated, the horn will no longer work. The next one is no washer. Let's see. And you enter. The light shows you that there is a problem. The washer is not working. You can see the wiper is working, but the washer cannot work, telling you that there is a problem with the washer. Let's remove it and see if the light will show to tell us that there is no fault. Okay. The next one is no left turn. Initially we did the right turn, which showed us that there was a fault. Now let's simulate the no left turn light and see if it will work. Okay, key in and see. You enter. That is no left turn light. Then you turn left and see. Now when you turn left, you can observe that there is no indication. Go right and see that the light is showing. We have some other signal lights here, like the hazard light. When you put it on, you observe that it is on in front and at the back. When you see a thing like this, sometimes people say double trafficator, double indicator. They give it so many names. But as you can observe, this is a hazard light, telling you that that vehicle has a problem. If you are coming behind it or you are coming in front of it, you should know that that vehicle has a fault, and you must be careful. We have the parking light here. I have the parking light. This is the parking light. Whenever you park and people are coming, other traffic that are coming, we know that there is a vehicle parked here, and they will be more careful. At times people neglect these things, but they are very, very unique and very, very important. And as we can see, all these are applied in agriculture, on the farm and on the road. So when these things are simulated like this, it enables the operators to have greater and more idea about the operation of the safety system in the vehicle. Thank you.